Hi, this is Aidan with iO, and today we're going to be talking about the filter change alert. The filter change alert monitors the drop in pressure across your filter using differential pressure probes. When your filter gets dirty, the static pressure drop across your filter increases. This device reads that and then sounds an audible alarm to alert the homeowner it's time to change their filter. Installing the filter change alert is super easy. Once you've located your filter cabinet, you're going to need to install the pressure probes on either side. And make sure you start with a clean filter in place. The positive pressure probe, which is on the bottom of the filter alert here, should go on the return side of your filter, and then the negative on top right here should go closest to your air handler. Make sure the filter alert is mounted vertically on your wall or cabinet. Once the pressure probes are installed, you'll need to apply 24 volts AC power to it. Once you have power to your filter alert and it's all mounted and all the probes are installed, you're going to need to turn on your equipment and get that air moving. Once air is flowing, first set the filter change alert to its maximum pressure setting. Then slowly turn the dial down until the light lights and the beeper sounds. After you've found this point, increase the pressure set point by 0.1 inches of water column. You can then slide the cover back over the filter alert and it's completely installed. It's important to know that you can mute the filter alert at any time by pressing this big red button. Just don't forget to unmute it later. As you can see, the filter change alert is a super easy to install supplemental product that you can add to any of your installations. The filter alert is also an excellent pairing for any filter fulfillment programs that your company may own. Thanks for tuning in today to talk about the FCA filter change alert. If you have any other questions on how to install it or some features, feel free to give us a call. I'm Aidan with iO. Thank you for watching.